Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very quick pack with me video, partially for my own sanity, but partially just because I like watching people pack their bags for trips away. And I am going up to Edinburgh tomorrow morning to work for the week with my job. I'm going up there just to support with the work that they're doing up there for the week, and it's just like a really fun little trip away and I'm so excited to go. I'm so lucky that my job offers the opportunity to do this. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you might have seen that I did go up to Edinburgh before. It was like November 2023, so it was a little while ago now, but I'm really excited to go up again, and I thought I would show you what I'm packing for my time up there. I've basically made some piles and I've got things a little bit more organised than my last pack with me video, which was when I went to Albania for 5 days, and that was like a summer holiday. That was like a city break, but it was recreational purposes. This is work, so I'm taking stuff that I desperately need in that sense, i.e. my work laptop. That's the first thing, in a case that it doesn't actually quite fit in, so I need to like wrap that up and pad it in amongst all my clothes. I've also already got all of my toiletries together. I'm going at like 5 o'clock in the morning, so I need to get it all ready so I can just leave as soon as I wake up. But I've got my liquid makeup bit, so like my concealer, foundation, my mascara, my eyebrow gel. I've also got my Q&A oat milk cleanser. I got my toothpaste, and I also have my Lancome Hydra Zen moisturizer, which is really nice for day and night. And just because I can only take this size little bag, I wanted something that I can use morning and night, which is a shame because I like using my morning and night moisturizers, my different ones, but that's a good all-rounder. So that's all my liquids. And then here in my makeup bag, this has got everything else. So it's got like my brushes and all of my like powder makeup bits, my eyeshadow palette and my face powders, my blush and my contour, because they can go through security and they don't have to be separated. So those are in there. I've got my 5 sets of socks and pants, which you don't need to see too much of, but I'll squish them right in the bottom, and then I'll pop my makeup just next there. This bag is slightly larger than just the usual EasyJet or Ryanair like carry-on size. I've been able to take a slightly larger carry-on bag, which is handy considering it's going to be quite chilly up in Edinburgh. I've looked at the weather. Spring is definitely springing down in Bristol, but it's going to be quite a bit nippier up there. So I want to take like warmer clothes, but I'm going to try and wear the chunkier stuff so I've got more room in my bag. So one of the lighter items I'm taking is just this Primark ribbed long sleeve knit top. That'll be a nice warm layer. And then also this Primark just vest top, and that folds down into like literally nothing. So I'm going to put that in my bag because they're nice and small. So that is like 1 day's worth of tops. And what I'm going to wear those with are these Bershka white wide leg like slouchy trousers, and I'll wear these for like half the week, I guess. And then another top I'm gonna wear with the white trousers is my big chunky brown Primark knit that you might have seen in my recent Vinted haul. This is a little bit chunkier, but looking at everything else I've got, it's probably like one of the lighter knits, so I can probs get away with it. Then as another day of stuff to wear on the top, so I'm there for 5 days in the office, so I need 5 lots of like office wear outfits. So I'm gonna take my COS clean cut t-shirt, which is my favourite t-shirt, and I hope it is a favourite because it cost me £30. But in the spirit of layers, I've chosen this jumper. This is a H&M jumper, but now I'm looking at it, I think it looks a bit big, and I think I'm gonna swap it out for another black jumper, but just one that's like slightly more compact. Yeah, this one is a lot more, it's just a bit better in terms of size. So this is my And Other Stories soft knit jumper, and it just folds down a bit nicer, but it's really good quality, so I think it will keep me nice and warm. And I'll also wear that with the white trousers. Actually, I'm going to take that back out and I'm going to layer my laptop between those clothes for protection, and then get that jumper back in. I'm actually so bad at packing. I normally get Kyle to like help me do it, but I feel like because I'm going up by myself, I need to be able to make sure that I can pack this bag by myself. Then my liquids need to be like fairly at the top so I can get them when I go through security in the morning. So I'll pop them on the top. Then I've got my passport, which I honestly don't know if I even need to go to Edinburgh, but I'm going to take it anyway, just in case. Do you need your passport to go to Edinburgh? I'm going to Google it in a minute. And I've got my work badge. I've got little pockets in my bag, so I'll pop them on the inside so they're easy to get. And then I've also got my outfit to travel in, so I need to leave this out of my bag. I've still got like quite a fair amount of room, which is good because I still need to pack my charger, my toothbrush, my hairbrush. I think that's it. And then when I get to the airport, I'm probably going to get myself like a meal deal and maybe a magazine for the flight itself. So I'll leave that as is. I don't need to take any more than that. No, I think it's fine. So then my outfit to travel is my other COS t-shirt, clean cut regular t-shirt. This one's black, and I am going to layer that underneath this quite chunky knit jumper from Primark, which you may have also seen in my other vintage haul. And the reason I'm gonna wear this one up is just because it's like a big fat chunky cloud, so I'll probably have to think about wearing that on the way home as well. Got my undies to go with that outfit, and then for trousers, which I can also wear a few days a week, like mix and matching with the other tops that I'm taking, I've just got my black Stradivarius wide leg trousers. These will go with everything because they are black trousers. Nice and smart for the office. So I'm keeping that outfit separate and not in my bag. Actually, I've just thought of something else I need to take, and I'm gonna nick one of Kyle's t-shirts just to have like cozy evenings in the hotel. I've booked myself to go out for dinner at 2 restaurants so far, but I am going to go straight to those reservations, eat my dinner straight from work, and then go back to the hotel and just chill there in the evening, because I don't know, I feel a bit like I don't want to be wandering the mean streets of Edinburgh all by myself in the dark, because I think it is still getting dark at like 6, half 6, and it might even be getting darker a bit earlier up there. So I'd rather like be out in the evening earlier and just go straight out from work. Then I can just wear whatever I've got on out to dinner. I think that'll be absolutely fine. But then it'd be nice to have like a t-shirt to sleep in, so I'm gonna raid Kyle's drawer. But the t-shirt I wanted is nowhere to be found. Is it on the dryer? This is the t-shirt in question of Kyle's that I will be taking. The reason I want to wear this is because he recently on Friday night cooked me the first dinner he ever cooked me when we first started dating. We had to go back onto my really old Instagram stories to check the recipe because he couldn't remember what it was exactly that had like been cooked, and he was wearing this t-shirt, so that is why I want to take that one. And then I do still have a bit of room, even though that's gone in additionally. So I'm gonna wear my earrings, and I'm gonna only just take one pair of shoes, which I'm gonna wear to travel in as well. And I think it's probably wise to take a blazer. So I'm just gonna take my big oversized Zara blazer, which I got in the sale like a year and a half ago maybe, but it just goes with everything. It's black, it will go with the black trousers, it will go with the white trousers, it'll just go with everything, so that's good. And then for my coat, I'm gonna take my big H&M oversized wool look coat, which again I've had, this is like the 3rd winter I've had this now, but it's black, it's easy, it goes with everything. It's nice and heavy, nice and thick, so I think it will keep me warm. I probably won't need the blazer, but it's just better to have just in case, I suppose, in case I get there and it is north of the wall like in Game of Thrones. And the shoes I'm gonna take are my Primark fake vagabond dupes, like the pointy toe boots, just because I think they go really, really nicely with the wide leg smart trousers. They'll go with both colours, and I just think they'll make the outfits look a little bit smarter, because I'm not able to take shirts or dresses really, just because I've got limited space. So I think this will make all of my outfits office appropriate, so going with these. So that was my very quick pack with me. I've got a little post-it note on our dining room table, and I've written phone charger, toothbrush, hairbrush, what else is on there? If anyone can think of anything I need, do not leave it in the comments because it will be way too late by then. I need to remember my flannel toothbrush, both my chargers. I just got an Apple Watch. It's the best thing that I've ever bought, but now I have to like cart 2 chargers around with me, but it's fine, first world problem. My lip balm and my hairbrush, and I really hope that that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I am now going to jump in the shower and have a very luxurious pre-flying hair wash shower, wash all of my sins away so I'm ready and fresh. And I'm going to be vlogging while I'm away, so make sure you look out for my Edinburgh vlog, corporate girly working away restaurant tour, because I am literally just going to eat and drink my way around Edinburgh for the next 5 days, and I'm so excited. Thank you so much for clicking on my face. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you all very soon in the next video.